Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make mandala art in Adobe Photoshop. So keep watching. Right, so first off, add a new layer. Then grab your brush tool or press B on your keyboard. You can find the brush tool over here on this side. And you want to click on this little butterfly, click and hold, and select mandala. Now you can select how many slices you want to divide your artboard in. We're gonna go about maybe 6 would be cool, and press OK. You then want to resize this to the size of your artboard. Press Enter. And you're basically done. Now you can select your favorite brush settings. You want a soft brush or hard brush, whatever brush you want. You can choose the size and the color as well. We're gonna go with black for now. And basically you have all these sections. Whatever you draw in one section will appear in all the other sections as well, just like a mandala. So we can start drawing something, and it's so easy. You can really come up with whatever design you want. It's such an easy and cool technique. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment what you'd like to see next. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these same tutorials. Be sure to check my website out, where I have some prints available and these really cool hats and some other clothing items. I'll see you tomorrow.